Okay, let me start. The concept of price elasticity of demand. How you can define a simple concept of price elasticity of demand. Before it, let me remind you once again. Law of demand states that other things remain is constant. Whenever price of a commodity increases, demand for a commodity will decrease and vice versa. The law of demand shows us only the direction of increase or decrease. That has totally failed to measure the change in quantity demanded as a result of change in price. Now, price elasticity of demand in simple words may be defined as it is a degree of responsiveness between the change in quantity demanded to the change in price. Or you can say price elasticity of demand may be defined as percentage change in quantity demanded to the percentage change in price. So in order to measure the change in demand as a result of change in price, we have to go through price elasticity of demand. So price elasticity of demand gives us a measurement about the change in quantity demanded as a result of change in price. How we can measure it? Let me elaborate it. It is price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in demand divided by percentage change in price. This is the measurement by which we can calculate that how much price has been changed, increased or decreased, which results into the change in demand, either that has increased or decreased. The range value of price elasticity of demand can be stated as from 0 to infinite. What will be the what will be the value of price elasticity of demand? It depends upon the certain factors, but we know how we can calculate it. This is a percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. And simply we can write down it as change in quantity demanded divided by initial demand multiplied by 100 whole divided by change in price divided by initial price multiplied by 100. This is an equation which helps us to calculate the change in quantity demanded as a result of change in price. Now, the reciprocal of the equation is equal to delta Q divided by Q into P divided by delta P. 100 cancel. Here we reached at the point at which we can rearrange certain things. Delta Q equal to delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. This is an equation which helps us to measure the change in demand as a result of change in price. Now, how you can understand the concept of price elasticity of demand? In simple words, आप लोग कह सकते हो जब लॉ ऑफ डिमांड फेल हुआ मेजरमेंट करने में कि एक डिमांड जब इंक्रीज हो जाती है, how much it has been increased, how much percent it has been increased. जब एक प्राइस चेंज हो जाता है, वेदर हम उसकी डिक्रीज की बात करेंगे या इंक्रीज की बात करेंगे, तब जाके हम कहते हैं प्राइस हैज बीन चेंज्ड. लेकिन कितनी गिरावट हुई, प्राइस कितना बढ़ गया, ये हम नहीं कह सकते हैं इन लॉ ऑफ डिमांड. एज अ रिजल्ट वी टेक द हेल्प ऑफ प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स आप लोग कह सकते हो ये जो प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड है, ये हमें मेजर करके देता है परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई विल शो इट हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, if 10% प्राइस हैज बीन चेंज्ड, अगर हम ऐसे कहेंगे 10% प्राइस हैज फॉलन, 10% प्राइस में गिरावट आ गई. आप जो कमोडिटी ले रहे थे उसमें 10% का गिरावट आ चुका है, उसका जो प्राइस फॉल है वो 10% हो चुका है. लेकिन इस 10% से अगर हमारी डिमांड भी 10% बढ़ गई तब जाके हम क्या कहते हैं, शाबाश, तब जाके हम कहते हैं इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इक्वल टू 1। इसको यूनिटरी प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड कहते हैं। यूनिटरी प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड का मतलब क्या होता है? यूनिटरी प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड का मतलब होता है जब 10% चेंज इन प्राइस में आ जाएगा, वेदर इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, द सेम विल बी एप्लीकेबल फॉर चेंज इन डिमांड। इट मीन्स 10% उसमें डिमांड में भी इजाफा हो जाता है या गिरावट आ जाती है। इफ प्राइस इंक्रीजेस 10%, if price increases 10%, demand decreases 10%. This is known as unitary elasticity of demand. In case of unitary elasticity of demand, we can reach out that if the percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to just percentage change in price, it means 10%, 10%. When did price elasticity of demand is said to be greater than 1? The price elasticity of demand is said to be greater than 1 if a 10% price is decreased, but the demand for a commodity will increases say 11%, 12%, and so on, but more than 10%. This is known as elasticity of demand is greater than 1. When did price elasticity of demand is less than 1? If a elasticity of demand is less than 1, if a 10% price has decreased, but demand for a commodity increases by 9% only. This is known as less than 1. So here is the three situations. Number 1 equal to 1, number 2 greater than 1, number 3 less than 1. The another one is that is equal to 0. When the price elasticity of demand is said to be 0, it means if a 10% price has been changed, but the demand for a commodity remains same, that has not been changed yet. As a result, this is known as elasticity of demand is said to be 0. When the elasticity of demand is infinity, when the price of a commodity remains same, but there is infinite change, infinite demand in commodity. As a result, we can call it as elasticity of demand is said to be infinite or infinity. That was all about this price elasticity of demand. What we have next, inshallah, we will see in next lecture.